with this strategy, you could have predicted this big fall of Bitcoin. So stay with me. Buy here and go high, and sell here, come down like this. Very convenient with only RSI indicator. And I'm telling you the secret of this strategy. Well, for this strategy, we need the RSI indicator. So, add the RSI. When you add RSI, you need to apply settings. Click on RSI setting option, and from the style department, turn this option off. I mean RSI based MA. And increase the size of the RSI line so that we can work with it more easily. If you don't like the color purple, you can change the RSI color from this section. But I like purple, so I choose the same purple and click OK. In this strategy, we use divergence. Divergence between two floors or between two price ceilings. If you don't know much about divergence, write in the comments section and I will record a separate video for it. Well, we need the first floor be in the saturated range, and the second floor should not be in the saturation range. This is necessary. And you need that divergence formed on good support. And this is important, so that the price can move to targets. And you need one more confirmation in this strategy. After seeing the divergence on support, you should see a strong candlestick pattern and then enter the buy. For example, here we see a hammer and we are on the good support, and the first floor of divergence is in saturation and the second floor is not in saturation. We enter buy here and take this move. This was a sample for buy. Let's take an example for a short trade. Here we see a resistance and the first ceiling is in the saturated range. The second ceiling is not saturated. We see a strong bearish candle and we enter the short trade. Well, let's go to trade management. Your loss limit is an amount behind resistance, and the profit limit can be set to 1-to-1 reward, and the next profit limit to reward 1-to-2, and the next profit limit to reward 1-to-3, and so it went with the price. Or you can set the last big floor for profit. That happens here, that you would go out the risk to reward 1-to-4, and this is amazing. Let's look at some more examples to understand this strategy better. Look here, we have a good support. We have a floor that is in the saturated range, and the second floor is not in the saturated range. Has it shown us a good candlestick? Of course. We enter buy here. Our stop loss is one value below support, and our target is the previous big selling. You can see what big moves you can make with this strategy. Here, if you went ahead with the trade, it will give you a profit of 1 to 10 to the risk to the reward. And this is so good. You can use any time frame for this strategy, but it will give you a better answer in higher time frames. And here is another example. We have a support and the first floor is saturated and the second floor is not saturated. Are we seeing a strong bullish candlestick? Yes, sure. We enter here and go up to the previous ceiling. And here we took the risk to reward of 1 to 10 from the market. Be sure to practice this strategy a lot. And if you have any questions, write to me in the comment section. I will be very happy to answer. If you like to see good strategies, please subscribe to channel and like this video.